Hey there, today we're going to look at how to delete your account IQ option. So let's get started. First, open IQ option on the app or browser and log into your account. Then click on the account icon. After that, go to settings. Over here, you'll see different options like appearance, trading, and keyboard shortcuts. At the bottom, click on account settings. Now you'll see options like temporary closing of account, deletion of account and personal data, and access my data. Over here, select deletion of account and personal data. After that, click request. Then specify the reason from the options given. You can also add a comment if you want. After that, click continue. Over here, you'll see a confirmation message. Simply click confirm. Now your account deletion request will be submitted. It may take 1 to 30 business days to process. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.